What is your real-time updated view on where you think prediction markets are headed and what you think those will look like? And pick a time horizon. Maybe that's 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years. What do you think that future looks like, or hope that it looks like?
So I think a couple things we've learned, right? Like one is that people really only like to bet on sports and politics. And within politics, they really only care about like races, like the congressional race, the presidential race. And they don't really care about whether a certain bill passes or not. And then people like to bet on like really degenerate stuff. Like if you look at like Predict It, actually they removed them. But a couple of years ago during the election, they had these markets that were like, how many times will Trump tweet today? Over or under. It's not like useful. Like nobody really cares. So basically people had to bet on sports, random degenerate stuff, and political events. People don't seem to really like to bet on the stuff that's like actually useful, like real world information. It's just like not like a cultural thing that people want to do. So that's like why you don't have that app on your phone. It's because like there's not enough people who want to bet on that stuff to make it happen. I think the other thing is that there's a lot of UI UX hurdles to it. And what I mean by that is if you're in crypto, you're betting on crypto. You're going to buy various crypto tokens because you think they're going to go up a lot. You're not going to invest 50 cents into a prediction market or $500 or $5,000 because you think you can make $1 or $5 or $5,000 profit. And so that's the other issue, is that in crypto, there's better alternatives if you want to make money. And then for people outside of crypto who are actually interested in this stuff, the barrier is still too high for them to use it. As you mentioned, there's only, I don't know what the number is, 10 million or whatever users of Ethereum. Most of those probably aren't monthly actives. That number is probably much smaller. Those people who do like to bet on stuff are buying other crypto tokens because there's more upside. And then the people outside in the external world just can't figure out how to use it. So I think over 5 to 10 years, that usability problem goes away. Everyone will have easy access to crypto. There probably will be wildly popular like sports betting and political betting markets on blockchains. I don't know if there ever will be prediction markets that are like widely spread that have various interesting things on them. I could see it happening as betting becomes more accepted in the culture. If you look at the US right now, they're legalizing sports betting in almost every state over the next few years. And so if more people start betting, then it can maybe happen. Your friend bets on sports and you're like not a sports guy and you're kind of like, this is pretty boring, but you make an account anyways. And then all of a sudden you see some markets on things that are not sports but are actually interesting to you. Like I could see it trickling in, but it's probably going to take 5 to 10 years if it even happens.